These are two Trane XL15i air conditioners. And I believe them to be straight cool units, but I'm not sure. Never seen them running in the winter. And there was a Bryant heat pump over there that was replaced recently by a Trane XLi. I believe it was a heat pump. But, I don't know what the hell this one is. Because I don't know why the unit over here would be a heat pump, but those two would be straight cools. All I'm going by is that I saw or heard the unit running when there was snow on the ground and it was freezing cold outside. So it might just be a straight cool with a low ambient kit. But yeah, there used to be like a base model 1990 something Bryant right there. Wish it were lighter out. This is quiet. And I believe these might be variable speed. Nowadays, the XL16i is the variable speed one, and the XL15i replaced the XL14i as the single stage unit. But I think they might have made an XL15i variable speed model. This might be a variable speed 2-stage. If I can find the damn data sheet. Here we go. Listed section of manufactured in 2008, so it's not that old. It's got 410A refrigerant. Listed section of central cooling air conditioner, so yeah, that's a straight cool. Probably matched up with a gas furnace. Very nice unit. So yeah, I believe that's a variable speed. 2008 Trane XL15i. Can't really see it that well, but you can hear it. That one just shut off, I think. Yeah, it just shut off. Gotta remember to film these earlier in the summer when it's lighter out. I mean, it's almost 9 o'clock at night. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.